Neighbor puss, aka cat. Yo, Wham, Wagwan, pretty man. Wham, yeah, chill out. Eh? Pussy boy. Feel like a walk down. Pussy, deal. Pussy cat. Pussy cat.
Fact of the matter is that this could have been avoided. For a long time now, there have been issues with respect to the negotiated salary increases. You as a government cannot, in good faith, negotiate a rate with your employees and then just simply refuse to pay those employees. During COVID, we lauded them as heroes and gave them certificates and medals. Yes. But now, when they are due the money that they have worked
Yes, I.
for, they're not negotiating for an increase. They have actually gotten the increase that
Jeff.
they worked for that time period. And they're giving money and they're just not being paid.
Says medical professionals have sent a strong message with today's strike.
It is never an easy decision for any doctors to save industrial action, but they have been at their wits' end for quite some time now, and they've just been ignored by the government. When the ultimatum was given, there was no acknowledgement of it. It was as if, I dare you to. And that approach, it does not bode well for industrial relations.
Opposition spokesperson on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, and the parish manager for the St. Elizabeth Health Department, Sean Brissett, says operations were scaled